Hey, it's Money Sloth, and here are my trading results on Webull for week 1, starting with a $100 account. As you can see, I got whooped the first week and lost about 30% of my account right off the bat, and I'll show you why here. You can see I've got 7 shares of Therapeutics. I got these at an average price of $2.20, and now the last price is $2.70. So I did good on that. And then I got 1 share of iFresh Incorporated. I got that for an average price of $1.21, and last price is $1.13. So I lost a little there, not much. But the big mistake was I got 5 shares of AMC when it was at $15 average price, and then it went all the way down. Last price is $6.88. So that was my big mistake where I lost most of the money, because I believed everybody when they were saying AMC was going super high, and of course it didn't. And then last, I got 5 shares of Jaguar Health at an average price of $2.77, and last price was $2.73, so I lost a little bit there. But mainly all the losses were from AMC. At least it's a good thing I didn't buy all AMC, and I got some other stuff that helped minimize the loss. So that's it for this week. Hopefully I will make better choices next week. Talk to you soon.